In this video, we will introduce and guide you through the process of using a biochar kiln that has been modified to collect wood vinegar, a distillate from biochar production. The body of the wood vinegar biochar kiln is a 50-gallon drum that is surrounded by fiberglass insulation and a metal shell. The lid and base both have a 10-centimeter diameter hole cut in the middle for placement of a chimney through the core of the kiln. A chimney insert, with holes at the base, directs smoke out of the chamber and up through the chimney for further burning before fully exiting the kiln. The chimney is 10 centimeters in diameter. Smoke is also able to circulate through a water-cooled chamber via piping connected to the side of the kiln. Vapor from the smoke condenses inside of the cooling chamber and drains out of an opening in the bottom. The kiln's feedstock chamber is largely enclosed from exposure to air, allowing for a low to no oxygen setting where high-quality charcoal can be produced. The resulting condensate is a mixture that includes wood vinegar and tar. To use the kiln, place it on bricks to elevate it above the ground, leaving space for a fire to be made underneath the kiln. Insert the kiln's chimney into the center of the feedstock chamber. Load feedstock into the kiln's chamber surrounding the chimney insert. To help ensure an airtight seal, spread clay inside the lip of the kiln's lid. Close and seal the lid using a ring with a clamp. After the ring is clamped, spread clay over the seams around the lid and where the chimney passes through the lid. Cover the top of the lid with a mixture of clay and rice hulls to help insulate the kiln. Place kindling in the open space underneath the kiln. Light the kindling and feed with fuel as needed to maintain a steady fire. The fire will provide heat for the kiln and create charcoal through a process called pyrolysis. If kept to a moderate size, smoke from the fire will travel through the chimney in the core of the kiln and be partially burned off before exiting at the top. Connect hoses to the water intake and exit pipes on the kiln's cooling chamber. Run water through the chamber as needed to keep it cool, likely 3 to 4 times throughout the burn. A water pump and catchment basin can be used to recirculate and conserve water. Condensate will drip out of the drainage tube of the cooling chamber within 30 to 40 minutes, Place a stainless steel vessel underneath the drainage tube for collection.
As the feedstock in the kiln transforms into biochar, combustible gases will begin to form inside of the kiln. These gases will burn as they exit through the kiln's chimney, creating a flame of their own at the top or bottom of the chimney. Look for these flames when the external fire you created begins to die down. If these flames are not present, continue feeding your external fire with fuel. If these flames are present, take it as an indicator that the burn is finished and your biochar is ready to be quenched.
To isolate wood vinegar from the condensate, let it sit for several days to allow the sediment to settle. Decant the liquid on the top and filter it through a sponge. Distill the liquid in a double burner. The resulting distillate is wood vinegar and can be bottled for future use.